A variety of heat shrink connectors, rings, forks, male, female spades, and butt connectors are included in this wire connectors kit. Strong crimps. We use thick copper to ensure strong crimps. Brazed seam terminal barrels will not split when crimped. Increased conductivity. Pure copper terminals ensure highest current flow. Tin top layer coating protects the connector against corrosion. Professional heat shrink tubing. Shrinks to 1/3 of its original size, and has heat-activated adhesive that bonds the connector to the wire. Lifetime warranty. All Wirefy electrical wire connectors are backed by our best-in-class warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great quantity value. Just buy them. No, they are not the best, but they are a fraction of the cost. I've used 20 to 30 so far and they all hold and shrink. I'll change my review if they start to break, otherwise these are on my list to buy again.